या शहरात 175 वर्सांचा हे लँडमार्क दिवस. पूण हे आमी आदी पयला म्हणजे म्हाज्या जिवनान म्हाका 63 वर्सां आनी 63 वर्सां शहर पयला आनी तेजे पयलीं केन्नाच्यान आसलें पळय. आनी ह्या शहरान मूळ स्थानीक लोक कमी कशें दिसता म्हाका. तुमचे व्हायस मेयर स्मिता केरकर ते केरीचे, मेयर चोपडेकार म्हणजे चोपडेचो. म्हणजे हे मायग्रेशन हे शहरान जालां. सिद्धार्थ कुंकलर गोंयचो अशें सगळे आमी हांगसर हाडयचे कशे पूण स्थानीक जातात. सो वी हॅव मेड आवर ओन होम. Although you are originally not from this place, but we adopted this place as our home. Now it is our responsibility to make it one of the best cities, best corporations in India. And one small way is to make it clean. Clean is beautiful, clean is smart. Once you well dressed, cleanly dressed, you become smart overnight. So it is our duty to make it clean, and to do that it takes a lot of effort to make the city clean. We have been struggling with the garbage problem for a long time. Recently we started getting solutions with the Minister Mr. Parikar. So that struggle is coming to an end, but still there is a waiting time. So once we get rid of all our garbage, household garbage, wet garbage, dry garbage, then industrial garbage, chemical garbage, biodegradable garbage, then biomedical waste. There's so much in the garbage. It cannot all put together. It has to be segregated and treated. So that is our responsibility. The simplest thing we can do is to make the city clean. And once we achieve that, that will be the biggest success. Today, the General Hospital has brought out a new postal envelope. It's a memory. It is memory which will stay forever. So we should all help towards attaining our goal. The goal is to make Panji smart in every respect. That is communication, that is transport, cleanliness, good roads, good sewage system, everything comes into it. So once we achieve that, then we have to maintain it that way. When you come to number one, you cannot go above number one. So then you have to maintain that number one. So we have to strive. We all have to contribute. It is not a mayor's job only. It is not a commissioner's job only. We cannot say that. It is our job. So if we think that way and we all contribute, I think things become easier. It has to be a collective effort. Don't say that mayor is in charge of the corporation, it is his job to do things. No, it is our job. So please understand it that way and make the effort easier. Let's all contribute towards making Panji the smart city of Goa, and that will make the Panji city smart city of India. We have a very special place in India. We are different in many ways. Like we say 1843, the original municipalities started in Panji. There are many firsts for Goa. Like we have the oldest medical college in Asia. So Goa has a lot of things which are different from India. So we have to be proud of those achievements. And we have to maintain our special identity. So all these things go together. Our heritage as well as our identity. So our language, our culture, our buildings, everything goes together. You cannot separate one from the other. So unless we understand understand it holistically, then you cannot achieve these things. So let us all put an effort and do things together. Nothing is to be done now manually. So we have to understand that. We have reached the age of information technology. We cannot hide away from that. We have to do things the right way. So I wish that all of you all use the technologies, use the new standards, use the new international standards, and go about it, because the whole world is becoming one small world. So we have to have the world standards. Then only we can call ourselves smart.
I welcome you on this auspicious and happy occasion to celebrate the 175th anniversary of this beautiful, nostalgic city which came into existence on this day, 22nd March in the year 1843. All of us should really take pride in being part of these celebrations, as this is a landmark occasion and spells wonderful journey of this wonderful, internationally popular city of this tiny state.
From the side of the Department of Posts, we are extremely pleased and privileged to bring this special cover on this occasion because this will go into history, and after some years you will be surprised to see this special cover in many of the national philatelic, national and international philatelic exhibitions. You will be seeing this cover being exhibited. And let me also take this effort to promise the Honorable Minister that India Post is committed to serve the CCP also and give the best of its services to reach out to each citizen in the city and to make their life a little more easier by providing the best possible postal services.